What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Infinitude, where we post tutorials for beginners about web and graphics twice a week. This is the Fundamental Series Part 4 for beginners, where today we will discuss about data types and how to map those data. Now let's dive into the project. At first, I will create a new component. I will give it a name data type and data mapping dot view. I will use the snippet the base and enter, and let's keep the name. Let's go to the template and I will give it a dummy message. Now I will import this data type and data mapping dot view in app.view. Let's go to app.view. I will comment out the previous hello Infinitude component. Now I'll import data type and data mapping from component slash. Let's register this. Now let's run the project. npm run serve, and if you are using yarn, then yarn serve. Let's copy this, go to browser and then paste. We can see our component, that is data type and data mapping, has been showing the dummy message. Now let's go back to the VS Code. Now let's go to the data type and data mapping component, and then I will define the data types. What are data types? Data types are classification of a specific type of data, that is numbers, booleans, strings, and complex ones known as objects and arrays. Let's define a string. Strings are a sequence of characters with the single or double quotes. Number can be written with or without decimals. And then I will define a array. Arrays are a way to have a multiple values held by a single value. We are creating an object and define name, Vue fundamental series. Now I will define a boolean which have either true or false. Now we will start mapping the data in template, that is in our HTML. Let's create a p tag and then I will type I will use the expression or double curly braces to use or to present the data, and channel name, and then I will create another one, playlist, Let's create a subscribe status. Subscribe. We can see our data have been presented over here: channel name, playlist, and subscribe status. Let's check that into the Vue development tool also. We can see our courses, channel name, playlist, and subscribe. Let's change the channel name over here and the other data, that is playlist, subscribe. Let's change the channel name. I will change it to ABC. We can see our channel name has been changed. Why it changed instantly? Why? Because Vue is reactive. That is, wherever we use data, that data is linked to that instance. Let's change the playlist to 3 and see. We can see the data have instantly changed. Let's go to the subscribe also and change it to the true. It has changed instantly. Now let's get back to the VS Code. Now we will map the array that we have created, that is course. Let's create a div first, and then I will use the derivative, that is v-fur, to map this array. Let's use the parenthesis. I will define value, then index in courses key index, and let's use the curly braces, and at first I will print the index, and then I will print the value. Let's go back to the browser, and we can see the data that we have in the array. Let's go to the developers tool, and we can see the data, but we wanted the name, that is just our value, not the key and value. To go inside the object, we will use the dot operator. Let's go to value and dot name. Now let's go to the browser, and now we can see the name directly that we have accessed using the dot. In this video we have used just two directives, that is refer and colon or a bind. In today's video we have used just two directives, that is before and the bind. Now we are at the end of this tutorial. Before that, if you like this video, please like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification. In next video we will dive more into directives.